So you slept with him. Now what? Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite, and for the best dating and relationship advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Wednesday and Sunday. If you are planning to sleep with your guy and not sure to do it or not, or you have slept with him already and you can feel that you are getting much more attached, you're falling in love, and he is pulling away, then this video is for you. As in this video, I will share why women feel much more attached to a man after sex than a man does, and how to behave with him in order not just to keep his interest, but to get his love and attraction grow bigger for you. So let's get on with it. First, why women do get more attached to a man after sleeping with him. Ladies, it's just how we are designed. It's actually biological. When a woman sleeps with a guy, she releases a lot of oxytocin, which is also called a love hormone. As for example, when a woman gives a birth to a baby, she is also releasing this hormone. This is why mothers naturally have this crazy strong bond with their babies. Men do release a bit of oxytocin during sex also, but definitely not as much as woman does. Also, there is one other major difference that happens after sex. A woman gets much more attached after sex as she just released a love hormone, right? Whereas a man needs to pull away as loving activity makes his testosterone levels drop down. Therefore, he needs to pull away to recharge it. Ladies, for this I have a separate download where I explain exactly how this works, and you can get it totally free just below in the description box. So when you think about it, guys, in the past, sex after marriage was designed to fulfill a woman's needs, as if she's releasing this love hormone which makes her bond to the guy more. It's okay because she's already married to him, so it is safe to experience it. But what are we supposed to do now? And ladies, can you answer for me in the comments below, how long do you usually take to have sex with a guy? So we can get a general idea of how long women wait or maybe don't wait. So the second part is how to behave with a guy after sex. If sex is a big deal for you because, let's say, you were raised in a society where sex is a big deal, and if this is your perception and on top of it you release oxytocin during sex because you are a woman, then hun, do not sleep with a guy too soon because you will not be able to handle it. Give it time until the guy is fully invested. As why would you give away something that is a big deal to someone who doesn't care about you, is not invested in you, and will not appreciate it? So how do you behave with a guy after sex? So here is the proper system which I have designed for you. Once you have sex with a guy, then you are ready and on your terms. Why when you're ready and why on your terms? Because ladies, men are always ready. It's we who need to take time. And for ladies who do not take time, I have a video for you which is called Why You Should Not Sleep With Him Too Soon. And you can find it just by following the link right here, and I will also drop it down in the description box. So going back, what is the strategy? The strategy is give it time, let him invest into you, let him prove himself to you, but do not tell him that sex is a big deal for you. As if you do that, in today's society, you will probably freak the guy out, or he will try and convince you otherwise. As in, everyone's doing it, let's enjoy the moment, you only live once, You are not normal. You will never have a boyfriend. We are equal. And the list goes on and on and on. And ladies, once you do sleep with him, treat it as it's not a big deal and stay exactly the same. For example, do not be needy, do not pursue, stay a challenge. If he is more loving and more protective after, perfect. Enjoy it, respond to it. But if he is not, do not be the one starting to chase, pursue, and show all your love plus devotion, as this will turn him off and he will start to lose interest. Ladies, please watch my video how to control your emotions, which you can find just by following the link right here and down in the description box. So you might say, Greta, but why do we need to play these games and hold back? Well, ladies, today's society is designed for men. I was thinking actually a couple days ago about a song which goes something like this. It's a man's world, but it would be nothing without a woman in it. I think this is how it goes, right? Well, now, ladies, is just a man's world with no woman in it. And we need to adjust to it, not to lose ourselves as women and not to fall for the equality card, which is in a lot of ways used for the wrong reasons, such as we are equal. If a man can do it, you can do it too. Yes, we are equal, we do have the same rights, but we are not the same. In this world, we were designed to complement each other, not to be the same and copy one another. But hey, that's a topic for another video. So now you know exactly how to play hard to get with a man after sex. But what if after sleeping with him, he starts to push your buttons and play little games on you in order to provoke you to lose emotional control? And for this, ladies, I have another video which is called How to Handle His Power Games, which you can find just by following the link right here, and I'll drop it down in the description box. And ladies, if you want to join a community of women just like you, I have a secret society which is called Greta's High Value Woman School, in which we share all dating and relationship tips and tricks. And you can join this group just by following the link down in the description box. Follow me on my Instagram, which is called Ladies Relationship Coach. It's private, ladies only. I do Q&A lives there. And for one-on-one or group coaching, please book me through my website, which is also called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, so I can hold your hand and help you to bring out the best in your guy. If you liked this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share it with your fellow ladies, and comment below with helpful if this video has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, queens. Kisses from London. Mwah.